Hey guys, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel. And yes, and hello, thank you for all of the breakouts. Keto's been helping clear my skin, but keto just can't magically make all these hormonal breakouts go away. So I'm going to be doing a get ready with me because you guys really like it. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and I'll go ahead and share everything that I'm using in this get ready with me. And let's just, I'm gonna go for a little glow up because I'm going on a date with my husband tonight. So I definitely want to glow up for the hubby. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.